Is it reasonable for mankind to have a standard unit of measure? Consider people all over the earth. There are averages that are common to all people. People were created by God. God created the heavens and the earth, and everything contained on the earth and under the earth. Everything above and everything beneath belongs to God. God created people on the earth. The earth is our home. No matter what land you live in, you live upon the earth. This is our home. This is the place that God has given us to live. Now there are averages that are common to all people. Throughout history, there have always been a group of people who are bent on making your life as confusing and chaotic and as miserable as possible. That is their purpose. That's the reason they get out of bed in the morning. I am not talking to those people. Those people belong to the land of death and destruction. Rather, I am talking to people who want to live, who want to be happy, and who want to be safe. There is a pyramid in Egypt called Cheops. This pyramid offers us a standard unit of measure that is common to all people. There is a line on planet Earth that is common to all men. It is the only straight line in all of creation, and it is called the Earth's axis. The Earth's axis. The Pyramid of Egypt has what is called the pyramid inch. This pyramid inch is based on the Earth's axis. A pyramid inch is 25 thousandths of an inch longer than the imperial inch. If you have 5 of those inches, you have the same measurement as the average man's hand. The average breadth of a man's hand is 5 of pyramid inches. If you stack 5 of those units of measure together, you have what is called a biblical cubit. The average man on planet Earth weighs, well, actually, let me not go to that point just yet. The average height of a man on planet Earth is 6 feet tall, no matter what land you live upon. So those are standard units of measure that are common to all mankind. Now, the average weight of a man in his prime is 185 pounds. Some say it's 175 pounds, some say it's 185 pounds. But that is the common weight of the average man in his prime. This is common to all people, no matter what your race is, no matter what the color of your skin is. We are people created by God who live on a planet that He created and gave to us as our home, a place to live, a place to pursue happiness, a place to pursue liberty. He has given us laws that are common to all people. Consider a person. No matter what land they live upon, we have 2 arms and 2 legs. This is common. We have 10 fingers and 10 toes. This is common. We have 5 senses: the sense of sight, the sense of smell, the sense of taste, the sense of sound, the sense of touch. This is common to all people, no matter what land it is that you call home. There are people who speak very, very loudly because they want to be heard. The reason they speak loudly is because they only speak lies, and nobody wants to listen to them. This is a good practice, to not listen to liars, to not listen to those who confuse and mock and complain and mock and complain. Consider one last thing. There are 7 days in a week, and there are only 52 weeks in a year. That means that there are only 364 days in a year. Liars want you to believe that you evolved from a monkey. If they're willing to tell you this lie, this obvious, this most obvious lie that you evolved from a monkey, doesn't it stand to reason that they lie and confuse and cheat about everything else? The Bible says, don't you know? The sun must be in its proper position in order for you to gain a harvest. You mock the time. Even the popular astronomers came out recently to let you know that the sun is a full month out of its position. If the sun is not in its proper position, the earth is not in its proper position. The earth needs certain stars to warm it in order for you to gain a good harvest. But like the Bible says, you mock the time. Therefore your harvests will come out of season. Before your harvests are ripe, there will be snow on your harvests. And it's because you mocked the time. Consider these things.